Hey guys, it's Marci from marcirenee.com, and this dude is hurt today. His name's Bryson. That is my son. I think that's the first guest appearance we've had on these videos. But anyway, we are making banana pudding today, and Bryson is hurt, so he is staying with mommy today, and I figured I would make him some banana pudding to make him feel a little bit better. So you can go ahead and you can start eating your favorite banana pudding recipe. This is a family favorite recipe. Everybody in the house absolutely loves it. Super simple to make, so let's get started. So I'm making this sugar-free, and they don't have, I think it's the, 3.5 boxes of banana pudding. So I'm doing 2 packets. I think it's like 1.8 ounces or something, I don't know. But you want to try and do about 3.5 ounces of pudding. You can also use vanilla pudding or banana pudding. It does not matter. I've made it both ways. So we're going to go ahead and add the pudding into a bowl, and we're going to pour 1.5 cups of cold milk into this, and then we are going to mix it up. All right, this is super thick, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the refrigerator to let it chill for a couple minutes while we work on something else. Okay, now that that's chilling, we're gonna make homemade whipped cream. Super simple. All you need is heavy whipping cream. You can go ahead and put like 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar in it to make it a little bit sweeter. But I'm doing this totally sugar-free because, well, the kids don't need any more sugar in their lives. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure out 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and then we are gonna pour this in a bowl and whip it until it is nice and thick. You can also use a tub of Cool Whip, whipped topping, whatever you want to call it. But, you know, sugar-free way, this is the way to do it. I think it's ready. It's nice and thick. And you'll also notice when you're making homemade whipped cream, like the shine of the heavy whipping cream goes away, and it becomes like the color that we all know, or the texture, I guess, not so much color. All right, let me go grab the pudding. All right, so to our bowl of pudding, we are gonna go ahead and fold in your heavy whipping cream. And this is gonna give it like a nice, light, airy texture. Okay, now this is all folded together. This is a thick pudding recipe, so please keep that in mind as you are making it. All right, now we are gonna peel and cut up 2 bananas. You can dice them, quarter them. It really doesn't matter, peel them. But me being a recipe developer, I prefer to have them and then quarter them. And especially if little kids are eating this, it makes it easier on them. Okay, now you've probably seen the box of vanilla wafers sitting here. We are gonna take these. I usually do about 2 cups of vanilla wafers. However, you can eyeball it. It doesn't matter as much or as little as you want. These will soften up in the pudding, so they won't have quite the texture, but they do give you the flavor. And that's why I put them in there. And I know I said I was doing sugar-free, but it is what it is. All right, and then all we're gonna do is fold this back in, and your banana pudding is ready to go. Good? Mm-hmm. All right, guys, head on over to marcirenee.com to grab the complete recipe for this banana pudding. We'll see you next time.